Hey guys, welcome back to another video today. Well, first thing, I got a new headset. My audio is pretty bad so far, but throughout this video I'm going to be talking about so the first thing is about that series that we had, trying the reviewing what we got. And we got some stuff. So, shout out if you want to play with me on Fortnite or anything, because I got a headset now. Pretty dumb headset, but it was worth it. $19. Exclusive PlayStation. Yep, $19 from EB Games. It's alright. Second thing, we got 2 new games. The first game we got is NBA 2K16. Now, I know there's NBA 2K19, but I got this from Cash Converters. It was pre-owned, and it cost $12. So that was the cheapest thing I got. And my brother got this game called Hello Neighbor. Made by Tiny Build Game, and this game is pretty popular on YouTube, so yeah. I'll show you something else as well. So far our channel's been pretty insane. So yeah, we got a new subscriber, so shout out to Board Game Master or something? Board Game Master. We gotta go channel, and he's got, I don't know where he is, but, give me a sec. Okay guys, I found his channel. He has 0 subs, so give him some love and subscribe to him. Maybe do stuff, but the other thing that we wanted to show you guys as well is our Twitter account. So Joel and Brody Twitter account. So we'll find that again. Well, the mystery hasn't been solved yet, but I can't find our Twitter account, so yeah. But still, Christmas is on its way. Of course. It happens. So, I've seen this thing, or method. There's a website that you can create websites on. So this website called Wix.com is pretty insane. So you can create a website with this, and yeah, you can create so you can create your own websites on this, and also a logo as well, I've heard of. So you can create different logos. Logo Maker, Wix Logo Maker. Yep, Logo Maker. So I'll put these 2 links in the description, and also that Board Game Master channel as well. So you can make your own logos here as well. Might make a video about how to make logos and websites, but yeah, that's just something cool that I've seen. Yeah. I don't know what to do now. I know what to do. These 3 channels need, 4 need to have some, well, noticed. So Motion Brothers Gaming, well, LG, of course, my brother, and Grigor and Hoctor. So yeah. Alright guys, we'll watch this video. It's a new video from Will. It's called Christmas Movies and an announcement. So let's watch this video. Wait, there's no sound. Whoops, I'll get that. This is very tricky. I don't think we can do. Well, fellas, I guess that's the end of the video. I have no clue what this video has been about, but worked out, so yeah. I'll make a Christmas video, and also go in the comment sections down below, or the description, but tell me what to do, because I have no clue what to do right now, so bye.